A rate is just a fraction where we're really comparing two different types of values. So let's say I gave you an example of I went to a grocery store and I bought 3 bananas and I paid $1 for those. So I want to know what's the rate for that cost if I wanted to look at a rate. So it's kind of an odd looking one, but it would be something like this cost 3 bananas for $1. Right? So we would write dollar here. Or we could go ahead and write the word. We just write dollar. Okay, so this is 3 bananas per dollar. Now that's sort of a basic one. Where do we see rates more often is when we're talking about something like this. If you've ever thought, just think for a second about being in a car. Okay, when we talk about speed, what do we talk about? Well, normally if you're on the freeway, maybe you're going 65 miles per hour. Okay, so that's a rate. It's telling me that I travel, if I start here and I travel, at some point I will have gone 65 miles. And how long did it take me to get there? Well, it took me 1 hour to get there. So that's my rate of speed, is I travel 65 miles in 1 hour. So a rate just compares values that have two different terms or two different value sets to it. Okay, one's measuring distance, and in this case, one's measuring time. If we look at our other one, one was measuring the number of items and then the cost. So two things that don't really reduce being compared to each other.